I walked out past the clearing where the trail gets overgrown. I stood there for maybe 20 minutes, listening to a woodpecker I couldn't see, just hammering away at something. The wind kept changing direction. I kept adjusting my jacket. A branch fell somewhere behind me. I didn't turn around. There's a spot where three birch trees lean into each other, like the tide or planning something. I sat against the middle one, watching ants navigate the grooves in the bark. They had a whole highway system going, and I was blocking an exit ramp. So I moved 6 inches to the left. Everything here has a schedule I don't understand, and I'm fine with that. Everything here has a purpose I can't see, and I'm fine with that. A crow landed near my boot and looked at the way my landlord looks at me when the rent's late. I didn't have anything to give him, so we just sat there in this standoff till it got bored and left. I stayed another hour watching the light move across the moss. On the walk back I noticed the trees make room for each other, their branches weaving around instead of through. I thought about my apartment, how I can hear my neighbor's TV through the wall, how we've never spoken. The woods figured out something we haven't, or maybe they're just as stuck as we are, just slower about it. Everything here has a schedule I don't understand, and I'm fine with that. Everything here has a purpose I can't see, and I'm fine with that. The wind picks up again, and I'm still standing